Maryanne Emomeri is a Kenyan woman with her black and honey blonde locks in a high bun. She wears an outfit with vibrant, repeating geometric and flower patterns. In her right hand, she holds out an iPhone, and she keeps a small, lime green cloth pressed to her smiling mouth.
I am Maryanne Emomeri. I am a startup founder and a disability advocate. I am also the communications officer at the United Disabled Persons of Kenya UDPK. I am attending the 18th session of the Convention of State Parties COSP to the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The session reviews progress of implementation of the CRPD at national, regional, and global levels, among other things like sharing best practices within the different countries. I will be speaking at two side events, one of assistive technology and another one on artificial intelligence. Backquote. The most important developments in Kenya this year has been the signing into law of the Persons with Disabilities Act of 2025. This progressive piece of legislation replaces the outdated 2003 Act and was born from years of advocacy by the disability community. The new law aligns Kenya's disability rights framework with the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities (CRPD), and it introduces stronger anti-discrimination provisions, especially in education, employment, and access to public services. Mandated accessibility standards for public infrastructure and digital platforms. The establishment of monitoring bodies to oversee compliance and implementation. This law represents a bold step toward rights-based inclusion, but enforcement and public awareness remain ongoing concerns. Artificial intelligence is another area drawing increasing attention from disability rights advocates in Kenya. While AI has potential to enhance inclusion, for example, through voice recognition, text-to-speech, and assistive robotics, it also presents real threats to persons with disabilities when not designed with accessibility in mind. Some of the critical issues include algorithmic bias in recruitment tools that may exclude neurodiverse applicants or those with non-standard communication styles. Inaccessible digital services using AI chatbots or automated systems that don't support screen readers or alternative input methods. The lack of consultation with persons with disabilities in tech policy and AI ethics conversations. The theme on artificial intelligence and intersectional voices in AI development has seen the need to embed realities of the marginalized and intersectional experiences into AI design. AI technologies today are often developed in contexts far removed from the lived experiences of many Africans, especially persons with disabilities. For instance, AI tools struggle to understand local dialects or atypical speech patterns, leaving out individuals with cerebral palsy, stammering, or speech-related disabilities. By training AI models to recognize African dialects and non-standard speech, we can create tools that support real-time transcription and translation in public meetings, allow voice-recorded input in local languages during civic processes, and enable safe and dignified expression of health or legal needs, particularly for women with speech disabilities. This is gaining attention now because artificial intelligence is now actively shaping how we access healthcare, education, employment, communication, justice, and quite everything else. As AI tools begin to influence decisions at scale, there's growing recognition that if we don't design these systems to be inclusive from the start, we risk deepening existing inequalities, especially for persons with disabilities who already face systemic exclusion.